Forget everything you think you know about minivans. The 2026 Toyota Sienna is not just a family hauler. It is a rolling sanctuary, a tech lounge, and a comfort zone on wheels. Toyota has not simply updated the Sienna, they have reimagined what a family vehicle can be. And this might just be the reason minivans are making a serious comeback. Let us start with what really powers this new Sienna. Every model comes standard with Toyota's proven hybrid system. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors for a combined 245 horsepower. The payoff? An impressive 36 miles per gallon combined, whether you stick with front-wheel drive or go for the available all-wheel drive setup. No, it is not chasing drag strip times, but for errands, carpools, and road trips. This hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, quiet, and efficient driving that makes everyday life easier. In a world where SUVs dominate but struggle with fuel economy, the Sienna quietly outperforms them all. But what if you want your minivan with a little edge? Enter the XSE trim. With blacked-out accents, sharp under 20-inch wheels, and a sport-tuned suspension, this is not your typical family van. At first glance, it could pass for a sporty SUV. Step inside, though, and you are reminded of why minivans still exist. Space and practicality that no SUV can match. And at roughly $45,000, it packs in comfort and tech that rivals luxury crossovers, costing nearly twice as much. This is the minivan for people who refuse to accept boring as their only option. Inside, Toyota designed the Sienna with real life in mind. Desk and row captain's chairs are a standout feature. They slide a full 25 inches back, giving passengers the kind of stretch-out legroom you would expect in business class. Everywhere you look, there is smart storage. Even the entry-level trims give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Step up and things get even better. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen, a head-up display, wireless charging, and an available 12-speaker JBL audio system that makes the whole cabin feel like a private concert. For families, the optional rear seat entertainment system is a lifesaver, keeping kids entertained and parents relaxed on long drives. And how does it drive? Honestly, the Sienna might surprise you. It is not trying to be a sports car, but with a 0 to 60 time around 7.5 seconds, it is quick enough to handle highway merges without breaking a sweat. The real story is the comfort. It glides along quietly, soaking up bumps with ease. The hybrid system adds regenerative braking, which not only saves energy but also makes every stop feel smoother and more controlled. Cargo space is another big win. The third row folds flat into the floor in seconds, creating instant storage. The second row seats slide forward to open up to 101 cubic feet of cargo space. That is more than enough for a Costco-run camping gear or an entire soccer team's worth of equipment. Put it all together, and the 2026 Toyota Sienna is not just a minivan. It is a rethink of family driving. It is efficient, comfortable, and loaded with features that make daily life easier. More than that, it is proof that practical does not have to mean boring. So here is my question. Are minivans making a comeback? Or are SUVs still the better choice for families? Drop your thoughts below.